Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your upper control arms in a second gen Tacoma. Let's jump into it. First things first, we got to take off our tire. Let's jack it up, chock the tires in the back, and put this thing on jack stands. With the tire off, we have our upper control arm here. We're going to use a 10mm socket to remove this bolt right here. This gets rid of this bracket for this line. Just move the bracket kind of out of the way now that it's loose. Next thing we need to get out of the way is this little cover right here. You can see it has just these clips. So I think we're going to take off this one and then that one up there, and that should give us room to access the really long bolt that's keeping our upper control arm connected. We remove the bottom clip and the top clip for this little guy, and same deal over here. With these out of the way, we now have access to the really long bolt on the side. We're going to use a 19mm wrench and 19mm socket to remove that nut right there and drag this bolt out. Before we do that though, we do have to pry on the metal under here to gain access to that bolt, because it's a really long bolt, and I'll kind of show you with a pry bar or even a crescent wrench you can get a hold and really pry that metal and get it out of the way. So yeah, I'll just show you guys that process and how we made it work on the other side. If you scrape any metal off, we just go with the spray paint and spray that so to prevent some rust. But I think that's enough for us to clear the bolt, and as we drag it out, we're going to drag it into the engine bay and snag it from up above. With the bolt loose, we're going to go ahead and remove this cotter pin and remove this nut, and then you grab your 19mm wrench or socket and get this nut loosened up. I like to keep a couple threads on here so that when we separate the two, this thing doesn't go flying. So we've got a shallow 19mm going in here. Oh yeah. And we're just gonna crack that and take that off of there. My dad has the pry bar up here so that when we do bonk the knuckle and separate the two, that it really doesn't go flying, because it is kind of crazy under pressure. We've also got the jack bracing the lower control arm. That kind of relieves some pressure as well. But you can see I got the nut, just a couple threads on here. We're gonna go ahead and grab a hammer and bonk the knuckle right here. Just give it a good smack. There we go. You can see it just separates like that. So with it disconnected from the steering knuckle, let's go ahead and keep pulling our bolt out of here. The bolt's going in here, and there's a wire harness clip right there. And right there, we're gonna go ahead and pinch that harness, these clips that's holding the harness. That way you can move that harness out of the way as you're reaching and pulling this bolt out of here. Underneath the battery right here is where you'll be able to access that bolt and drag it out. So I've got my fingers on it right now. There. With a little, yep, a little finagling, we got that out of there. So there's that super long control arm bolt out of there. I did bump into the frame of the truck kind of by the radiator a little bit, but you just have to wiggle it back and forth and be persistent, and honestly, there's really nothing to it, especially when you have awesome help. Just make sure that's out of the way, but with the bolt gone, this disconnected, there you go. That is how to remove the upper control arm. We're going to be replacing them with some new rough country upper control arms, but you want to make sure after you pull it out to line up your new one and just make sure you have the correct geometry. Last thing you want to do is end up with the passenger side one on your driver's side. So you can see it also has the hole ready to receive the bracket for that sensor, and you're ready to rock and roll. Installation, you just do the reverse. So honestly, nothing to it. If you found the video helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.